Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon order here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 13 Pro. I believe they also have this available for other phones as well, such as the iPhone 13 and also iPhone 13 Pro Max. And basically for this case that we have right here is an all clear design, and it's from the brand called Syncwire. If we turn into the back right here, they show you guys information about the product right here. So they mention how it's actually scratch resistant. They mention how it's an impact cushion technology. So if you guys actually drop it, it should be fine. They also mention how it's compatible with wireless charging. So you can definitely do wireless charging on here. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so you guys first open up, you guys can see they provide guys a user manual inside. And then right here we have the actual case, so let's take it out. Alright, so when we take out the case, you guys can see they provide guys a wetware right here, and also provide guys a dry cloth as well. So you can definitely use this to actually wipe down your phone before you guys put it on if you guys want to. But right here, you can see we do have the case. It is an all clear design case. When you guys try to flex it, it is a little bit flexible, if you can see. So this is what the back part looks like. And here's what the inside part looks like right here. Let me actually put it on the phone to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so I got my phone right here. You basically want to clip it on. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what the case looks like right here. So you definitely can see the all clear design on here. So you can definitely see the Apple logo in the back as well. And the cool thing about this case right here is the fact that they mentioned how it's actually anti-yellowing as well. So over time, the case will not turn yellow. So right here on the side, you can see we do have the buttons available. So you guys have these two buttons right here and the sliding option right here. If we turn it to this side, you can see the other button on this side, and then here is the bottom part. So they do have the opening for you guys to plug in cable to charge it, and they do have the opening for your speaker as well. And if you guys look really carefully in the back part right here, it's actually raised just a little bit, and they also have some more raised option on the corner here as well. So not only is the lens option right here is raised a little bit, but also in the corners as well, right here and right here and right here. Same thing applies to the front part right here. It's raised just a little bit to give you guys the extra protection you guys want. And if you guys look really carefully right here, they actually have the brand logo right there. If you guys look at all four corners right here, it has like that airbag technology on here to give you guys that protection if you guys actually drop it. So that way it gives you guys the drop protection on here, but also a shockproof resistant as well. And definitely when you guys feel material on here, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip. So when you guys are holding your phone, you definitely can get good grip on here. And also the material that they use on here is actually anti-fingerprint. So if you guys put your fingerprint on here, it won't stay on. And definitely when you guys feel the actual case itself, it's actually pretty lightweight. It doesn't feel that heavy. And also when you guys look at it from the side right here, it's actually pretty thin as well. And it's not like a bulky case or anything, so it won't get in your way. Now let me just do a quick wireless charging test to show you guys what actually works first. Alright, so we got my wireless charger right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so you see it actually does work. So you can definitely do wireless charging even with the case on, which is pretty nice. But obviously, if you guys want to actually charge your phone much faster, you definitely want to plug in a cable to give you guys the faster charging speed on here. But that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this case, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for an all clear design case that has everything on here in terms of the anti-fingerprint, the anti-yellowing, the airbag technology to give you guys that drop protection on here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.